Hello friends, I'm Ram and I'm a naturalist. Today I will take you the dense forest of Satpura in middle India. Without the right knowledge and skills, you can wander here in the forest or get seriously injured. I will go to some places where the forests are full of natural herbs, many natural springs, and the death of many people here have been caused only by the fear of bad spirits. On the way, I will be faced with poisonous ant and finally the most beautiful forest village in the world, where there is now only one house and some pet animals in 274 square kilometer forest. Although the rock painting is very old, but when I look at it, it feels like it has just been made. So stay tuned with me, the episode is going to be very exciting and fantastic. हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। दोस्तों, आज हम एक बहुत सुंदर जगह पर आए हैं जिसका नाम है जटाशंकर। ये मधुमक्खी की छाती जिसमें लगभग 5 किलो तक शहद मिल सकता है। In every step you can find some herbs. Look, it's called Rakat Birar. This is Bandar city and many more. This is the whole range of Satpura Tiger Reserve. This tree is full of very nice fruit. The fruit is very juicy, and trust me, it can be eatable because it has very nice juice and this is good place for rain. If there is some rain, you can sit here under the cave, take some rest, and then start. going toward a waterfall.
Look at this. This is the smallest fern, and it's also called tattoo. It's work like temporary tattoo. Look. Look at here. Look. It's a half circle like leaf, and it's called Brahmi. It is very helpful for its taste good. बहुत अच्छा है इसका. Yeah. I can put this in my pocket because I think I have less mind because I'm crazy in wild.
It is the nest of poisonous ants.
This is dense forest and everywhere very slippery. So I have to be very careful because I have to go there. Look, come. Look at the fall.
Further along this part of the forest, such waterfalls are found. After the waterfalls, I am going to a place where there is only a small hut in 274 square kilometer of forest. There are some pet animals and all around dense forest and high mountains.
भैया आप तो आगे करते जाओ, जहाँ से खाते जाओ, खड़ुआ भी बेटी.
They are the dog for. Hello.
There is a chicken and its 4 chicks of its 2 days. And another chicken is sitting on its eggs. Soon chicks will also come out of these. This hen is sit on the eggs for 20.
नहीं बेचा
Now here we
तो
meet
फिर
the
अपन
owner
नहीं
of this hut,
बेचेंगे।
who lives
लेकिन हम
alone in
अपनी
this
आर्थिक
dense
स्थिति
forest
इतनी खराब है, 8-10
and
लाख
spend
लाख
his
का
time
कर्जा
with
है
his
अपने
pets.
ऊपर। अपन सोच रहे थे यार किसी तरह वो हो जाता, अपनी मम्मी की शादी में हो जाती,
He's
काम हो
very
जाता।
adventurous
हाँ,
and
तो
nature lover.
हम देखो यार अपने घर में सर्विस वाला ना था, कोई था ना है, और ना कहीं के पैसों की स्थिति। अभी ये लॉकडाउन चल रहा है।
After visiting this lonely house in the forest and having breakfast, I set out to see a cave where rock paintings between 10,000 to 12,000 year old. These rock painting between high mountains and caves remains. Although the rock painting is very old, but when I look at it, it feels like it has just been made. Primarily, this rock painting is made with fine colors of flowers, leaves and bark of trees, but there is no evidence of this. In this rock painting, the plan of hunting of animals give details of the use of bow and arrow, group fighting, worshipping of God, superstitions, horse riding and group dancing, etc. In these rock paintings contains images of some wild animals that are not presently found in this tiger reserve. Or we can say that they are not extinct. Rock art and paintings may have been made by the immediate tribals of that time, who may not even have knowledge of words. Surprisingly, these rock paintings found in caves at some places near the water after walking several kilometers in the dense forest. This also proves that those people used to spend most of their time in these caves. It takes a lot of risk and hard work to make a video. It is not easy to do all this in the forest. Your support motivates me to do such work. So please share and subscribe to the channel. Hope you enjoy this video and like. Thank you so much for watching.